You got your computer. You got yourself an interface. You know what I mean? You got yourself some monitors. Got yourself a door. You ready. Getting them instruments, you know, we putting them all together. There's a few things that you'll need to know as you're starting the mixing process. Shout out to Josie Newman, who has DM'd me, you know, on Instagram, asking me questions. So afterwards, I sent her a personal tutorial. And I'm like, hold up. My community, and there's plenty of other young producers of any age that needs this information. So here it is. Beginning tutorial. 3 questions that you need answers to as you go on your journey in your mixing process. And if you stay to the end, I got some bonus tips for you. Let's go. You're now watching. Welcome to the DEANXperience. I'm in the still. What's going on? It's a quick example. Let me show you why you should always apply your gain first. First, let me put this on Unity gain. That's where we all start anyway. Okay, so as you can hear, sorry, it's a bit loud. I know. I just wanna just show you, give you a reason why I'm doing that. As you can see, it made it to reach negative 1.8 decibels. So, and that's without any of these, any EQ, any filtering, and any hall. So that's why it's imperative that you set your gain first. Realistically, always gives gain stage pretty much before you even set any of the levels. Why? Because it's gonna clip, or it's possible it could be too low. You could be either way. You'll be fooling yourself if you don't set your gain first. But you always, if you're gonna set your gain, you always must set it in a pre-fader metering. To do that, you go over here, customize toolbar, or you could just do your mouse. Use your mouse. Click over here. Use your mouse. Customize toolbar right there. You go to I already had it set, but take it off, put it back on. Pre-fader metering. It's always imperative that you go set your gain levels on pre-fader, not post-fader. Pre-fader. Because that's, you can see the true gain. That's a true gain is the pre-fader. That's the input. That's pretty much that's the input that goes to the output. You know what I'm saying? It's imperative that your input you shouldn't be coming in too hot with your inputs. So now that's set. While you're still here, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell right now. Now back to the video. The best thing to do is to try to set your gain at what, -12, between negative, it's really your choice for that matter, but it's between -18, -12, so you can give yourself room. So when you're inserting the other plugins, so you won't clip, you won't be coming in too hot. So the main thing to do is gain stage. You drop the volume over here. You see now where I'm at now. Let me drop that over down. Okay. So as you can see, 0.9. That's a bit high. So you go over here, you go to the master, and this is in Serum. All the plugins they have their own master volume. That's pretty much controlling the gain that's inputted, or the gain input more or less. Input gain, however you want to call it. You set it down. You just go off. You see, okay. Always click this. Always click that meter right there, that prong right there. It shows you the true peak. See, now here's 11.1. Getting there. 11.1. Negative 11.1 getting there. So I dropped it off a couple more percentages and go in. It could be too low. Maybe 12. There we go. The magic number. Okay, once you get that magic number, then you set your volume. Then you can set it. See that nice gain? Because as you add these, this gain is going to increase or drop too low. The Gain's gonna increase or drop too low. Most likely, yeah, with the filter and the reverb, yeah, it'll drop it. But it might drop it too low. As you can see now. And that's with the filter. That's just a rough filter. I just opened it up. I didn't really do any manipulation or setting up. See, now it's at 18.8. But now, so now I see it's low. Oh, it's low. So I could pick it up. It's always best to go from bottom up, not from top down. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Now it raises up. You can adjust. Now you can adjust your fader however you like. And you won't be clipping, you know? It's just better safe than sorry to do your gain first than the other way. It's pretty much is my explanation in a nutshell. I'll definitely be explaining a lot further and a lot deeper in videos. I'll be putting out some YouTube videos explaining all of this process more deeper. I just wanted to give you a real explanation in layman's terms to your question that you had asked me and that we had discussed on Instagram. So there'll be more. But if you have any more questions, let me know. Artists, to give room for the 808s and for the low end, you gotta cut out in the vocals. You have to cut out some of the low end. Me personally, I can do about 80 hertz. That's my voice. Everyone's voice is different. I have so much low end in my voice. I'm not very white. Oh, babe. Now, there's like two important components, obviously, to vocals. Everybody, it's nothing new. It's EQ and compression. Those must be right. Also, make sure everything is balanced. See, that's number one thing is you always make sure that you always make sure. I can't even talk now. You always make sure that everything is balanced. The levels are set correctly. You don't want the vocals overbearing in the beat and vice versa. You gotta be balanced. Also, as you can see here, the frequencies all must be balanced as well. If you have too much bass, then you lose clarity. If you don't have enough bass, then it's a weak mix. If it's too much mid, then it's muddy. If it's not enough mid, then it's hollow. If it's too much high, there's a harsh mix. If it's not enough high, it's a muffled sound. It sounds pretty like so that's what it is. Here's one of the bonus tips that I want to tell you about. Panning. It's very important that you pan. Panning is pretty much where you send your signals to the left or to the right of the stereo field. Panning. That's important. Which leads to this. In the musical spectrum, every instrument, every vocal has a space. Usually the kick drums, bass, and lead instruments, as well as lead vocals, are in the center, while all the secondary instruments fill up around the musical spectrum. Fans, everybody, love y'all. It's been a grind to get where I'm at right now, and I'm only soaring. I'm only soaring like a Boeing, So, this is me, Dean Nelson. UnDEANiable Beatz. Dean Music Production Entertainment. Well, no. Of course.
Welcome to the DEANXperience. I'm in it still.
Hey, you still here? You still here? Appreciate you. Thank you. Hit that subscribe button. Thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Spotify. I'm all over. All the links below. To get more tips, get more behind the scenes video of the Dean. The next time, one love.